Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Sonic Adventure 2 with a controller updated. First, connect your controller via USB or Bluetooth before launching the game. I'll walk you through controller mapping, sensitivity tweaks, and emulator or PC settings with clear steps. Stick with me and you'll have smooth analog movement, reliable button inputs, and better camera control. This guide is friendly for new players and experienced speedrunners who want responsive controls. Begin by checking controller compatibility and installing any official drivers. Open the game's controller menu and select generic or X input mode depending on your pad. I explain binding for all core actions: jump, homing attack, boost, and camera control with clear examples. We cover vibration, polling rate tweaks, and how to save multiple profiles for different characters or stages. By the end, you'll know how to switch setups quickly and avoid input conflicts. Fine-tuning sensitivity and dead zone will transform your platforming and speed sections. Practice homing attack timing with the controller's face buttons, then bind combo moves to shoulder triggers. We explore camera smoothing and how to tilt the right stick for cinematic yet controllable views. I give concise drills to build muscle memory for rails, grind sections, and boss fights. These tweaks help you maintain high scores and cleaner runs across single-player and race modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.